First of all, it's the home org of all MAC majors. And second, it's an org under the business cluster of COA, whose number 3 is whose core competency is product development. But those are just the facts that everybody has to know. For me, I see MAHA as not just a place we MAC majors can call home, because for it to be a home, there has to be a family. So I see MAHA as one of, my many families. So the external communications department is in charge of MAHA's identity. Basically, we try to build MAHA's image through promotions and the like, making use of a medium that will try to communicate what MAHA has to say. So such media can be posters, videos, web promotions, and even websites. So even if MAHA is known to be one of the smaller orgs in Ateneo, history has shown that despite our size, we still have what it takes to be one of the best. Through making the right materials and through the use of effective promotions, my goal for this year is to be able to bring different people together, to bring the different members of MAHA together as an org. Top or bottom? Top! Because I want to be in charge.
Saan? Ano yung ruta mo?
Dito.
Sige.
Ganda kami yung mga box mo ah. Ano ba?